So we now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press. Can I call on Mr. Abner Galina from Weekend Balita? Abner Galina. Hi. Just to let you know, we have 15 minutes for this. So we're going to do a press conference, Q&A, and after that we're going to do a photo op, and I'm going to call you guys per group.
I think I'll just repeat what Ray Gilay asked during the show. Ano ba talaga ang status between Maine and Alden?
Ikaw
Sito natin na. Ngayon po. Well, sir, basically naman po, ang tagal-tagal na po tinatanong sa amin yan, paulit-ulit na po eh. So, what you see is what you really get po from us. So, I'm quite sure and living proof naman po yung nangyari kanina na Maine and I and the whole Calisel and the whole of Itbulaga gives happiness to people. So, kung ano man po kami, what we are, on and off cam, sa amin na lang po yun. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mr. Abner. Okay, now can I call on Mr. Oliver Carne from Hollywood Flip? Oliver Carne? No? Okay. We'll go ahead and... Oh, is he here? Oh, hi.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you for a job well done. It looks like it's a sold-out show. And this is your first time to perform, both you, Alvin, and Elaine. My question is, I know the success of your lab team, it is phenomenal. And my question is for you first, May. If you did, you were discovered like as a reality star, but because of your skills, you can act actually, and you know how the industry works. The question is, in the future, just in case the two of you have the chance to work as a solo artist, what kind of or what type of genre you'd like to do more, like maybe action, or I know you like you're very good with comedy, drama, and yeah.
Actually, ako po gusto ko rin mag-stick talaga sa comedy, but hindi naman po closing doors ko na mag-try ng ibang genre. Pero gusto ko rin po mag-try ng indie. Sana, kung magbibigyan ng pagkakataon, kung magtitiwala po sila sa akin. Ayun po, comedy and indie. Any kind of indie.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Oliver. Now can we call in Miss Claire Aguilar from Manila Up? Claire Aguilar. Grace. Grace. Okay, Miss Grace.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Congratulations to you guys for a phenomenal concert, and also to the producers and, of course, GMA. My first question is, how does it feel that you've come all together in performing here in the United States, since this is your first time here as a love team?
Excuse me.
Well, we're very happy because I've been performing quite a lot here in California for GMA shows. So this is the first time that I was able to join an Eat Bulaga production and with Maine and Dalolas and Jowa. So we're very happy that we deliver. We delivered the show quite, good, and all of the people and our audience enjoyed the show. So we're just very grateful.
Yes, pareho po ng sinabi ni Aden, masaya po kami na nakapag-show po kami abroad together and kasama po namin ng Jowa Pao. So yun po, sana nag-enjoy din po yung mga nanood dahil kami po ay talagang nag-enjoy din.
Thank you. Now can we call on Miss Faye Coons from Tribune?
My question is for Maine and Alan. Do you have a new film project? And then after the two of you, I'm gonna ask Paolo. First of all, I'm gonna congratulate Paolo. Your performance in that beautiful is terrific. Yeah, you were really good. But I'm saying, I mean, that's the same question. Do you have a new film project? And the three of you really, I really enjoyed the show because you guys are really very witty. The three of you, yeah. Yung bang, ano, I know that a lot of it is ad-lib, but it turned out to be really funny. So, I don't know, Maine and you having a new film project?
For movie project po, I think nagpa-plan po na magkaroon by the end of the year. Hopefully po, sana po magkaroon. Pero hindi pa po yun sigurado. Wala pa po kaming idea, actually. Hopefully po, yes po. Nasa plana naman po.
First, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa show namin sa KS sa US. And thank you, maraming salamat po. Nag-sign po ako sa Regal ng 3-picture contract. Hindi po for this year kasi. For this year, meron pong isa sa Regal. Tapos may marami pong nagbigay ng script. Tapos maraming kumbaga in the process. Gano'n. Ayun po.
Thank you, Ms. Faye. Can I call on Ms. Lou Sabas for media journalists?
Thank you so much. I would like to ask questions sa mga lolas. I know you've been performing. You have performed here already in the U.S. They said that the LA audience is the hardest one to please. How would you compare the crowd here to the other, to the audience of other cities that you have performed?
Ate, ikaw sumagot. Bilang matanda.
Parang wala naman po kaming naramdaman hardest yung audience ng LA. Very warm, masaya. Halos pareho lang din naman ang mga experiences namin sa mga previous shows. Kaya nga, maraming ad-lib kanina na natatakot na humaba pa yung show kasi nga masaya yung audience kanina. Masaya yung reaction naman nila ng mga audience.
At saka po, naramdaman namin yung mainit na warm welcome ng mga tao din sa LA, lalo na sa Aldab, sa Caliceria. Doon pa lang sa airport, paglabas pa lang namin, napakadami ng tao doon. Nag-aabang yung mga kasabay namin sa flight, parang tataka sila, sino yun? Parang gano'n. So, tsaka gano'n naman po yung ginagawa ng aim ng Itbulaga is pagsamasamahin po parang pamilya. So, lahat tayo pag nanonood ng Caliceria, parang kasama po yung audience dun sa ano. And gano'n din po yung naramdaman namin dito.
Gano'n na rin po.
Ako, ano?
Di po, yun po, ganda. Opo, lahat, pag nag-perform kami dito sa US, yun po, yung sinabi nila, ganun-ganun po kasarap. Kahit malamig po, wow, mainit, wow, ano ba yan? Ganda po, masaya po talaga. Ay, salamat.
Okay, special thank you, congratulations to the management of Eat Bulaga, Ms. Jennifer, SVP and Creative Head, Ms. Helen De La Cruz, Executive Producer, Ms. Sheila Ilacad, thank you, Executive Producer, Didek Michi Rivera, and Rams David of APT Entertainment.